Welcome back again. Today we'll be looking at another segment which I said we would dedicate a full session to. Today we're looking at syllables and stress. Syllables and stress. So every English language word is divided into a particular number of syllables, and the way you pronounce them determines the stress level that is placed on them, which of course can infer one meaning or another. So what is a syllable? A syllable is a sound unit or a unit of pronunciation that contains a vowel speech sound. A sound unit or a unit of pronunciation that contains a vowel speech sound. For example, you have day. Day has just one syllable. Mark has just one syllable also. So there are monosyllables. When a word has just one sound unit, you say it is monosyllabic, meaning it has just one syllable. And when it has more than two, we say it is multi-syllable. Multi-syllabic words have more than two syllables. So examples of monosyllables, I said before, you have the word like day, you have a word like mark, you have come, go. So these words have just one sound unit. Then for multisyllables, multisyllables have more than two sound units. A word like today, today has two sound units. Market, market has two sound units. Placement, placement. Correction, correction. So those ones have more than one sound unit. So in multi-syllables, only one syllable is strong. The others are weak, which means that in a manner of speaking, when you're talking about multi-syllables, you're stressing just one unit and then the others come out as weak. We would elaborate on this much later as we go further. And so the most common sound associated with weak sound syllable is the schwa sound. So where we have a weak sound syllable, we say that it is represented by the schwa sound. Remember the schwa sound from the vowel sounds treated earlier. If you don't remember, just look through one of our previous episodes and you see where we have treated the short and long vowel sounds. You see the schwa sound there. So the schwa sound is usually the most common associated with